Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a painting using a blow dryer. I'm gonna be using golden High Flo acrylics. If you don't know, they're usually used with airbrush medium. This is kind of what it looks like. It's kind of liquidy. I'm gonna be using carbon black, titanium white with some iridescent pearl in it, and then I'm going to use one color, Quinacridone Magenta. That's kind of what it looks like. I'm going to mix my colors and my black and white with GAC 800, liquitex pouring medium, and golden gloss medium. That's how the jar looks. And I'm going to mix up my paint and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I'm back. I have all my paint mixed up and I've painted around the edges, around the sides with golden titanium white. That's all. It doesn't have any pouring medium or anything in it. Just seems to work out better that way. I'm going to add my GAC 800. That's kind of the last thing I do. It seems to react to the paint, so I kind of like to do it right before I pour. Looks like it's got some boogers in it, so I'm going to clean it out a little bit. I guess I should have done it before. Here I go. See, it kind of does some weird stuff, like, oh god, I guess you can't see it right away. It reacts to the paint. It's a little hot out too. It was cool today, but I have a western view at my house, so man, is it hot in here. I'm sweating bullets. I'm going to stir it again, and then I'm going to pour it. I'm going to use a blow dryer as well. I did put a little alcohol in. You know, I don't know. I just like it better when I do. I think I need a little bit more magenta there. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm used to using smaller ones, so I have to put more paint on it. I know I've complained a lot about using a lot of paint. I'm trying to get better, but here we go. Alright, the blow dryer is quite loud. I'll probably mute this part and throw in some tunes. So here we go. Alright, I'm liking that. It's a little white here. I do have this little syringe with alcohol in it, so sometimes you can just kind of, you don't want to put too much on because it flares out. So you got to kind of be careful. A couple drops maybe. That might have been too much. I might move it around a little bit. This whole procedure is like, it's like you can't mess around with it too much, I've noticed. If you start messing with it, it just gets messed up. I'm going to touch up the sides, and you can watch and see how it changes. It seems like there's like a certain amount of reaction time and then it just stops. I don't know why that is, but it is. So if you got to get what you like right away, and if you don't, well, forget about it. I think it turned out beautiful. I absolutely love it. It takes a while to get this technique down. It doesn't work that well right away. It took me a long time. I was very frustrated. I've probably said that in a couple other videos. I've been known to repeat myself. I made a really cool video last night. Well, I thought I did. I don't know if anybody's ever done this, but I thought I had the camera turned on, and I thought it was working, and the next thing, and now I go to put it on my computer, and there's no video. So that was kind of a waste of time, and I haven't been on here in a while because I've been ill. I am going to, I'll show you the other painting that I did last night. And I used Floetrol, and I used Liquitex Basics. If you can see that, it really is cool. It's got Floetrol on it. Floetrol takes a long time to dry, I've noticed. So that's that one. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching. I did have some mica, kind of glittery silver powder that I kind of blew out in the air onto the painting. I think you can see that a little bit. The video was way too long, so I kind of just cut it off and just added these little tidbits. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.